Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Beyonce Superstar. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, if you're a Beyonce fan, welcome. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you won't miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into the review now. So we've got a look at the newest line of Superstar. Well, it's not the newest line, it is the celebration of the 50 years of the Superstar, and they've collaborated with Adidas's newest celebrity on their wing, Beyonce, who signed with Adidas last year. And if you don't remember, it was this time last year that they did that apparel clothing line that looked like Sainsbury's workwear. If you're an American watching this, Sainsbury's is a UK retailer. The groceries, that's where you get your groceries from in this country. It's one of the many stores. And basically Beyonce's clothing line looked a lot like the Sainsbury's uniform. So that was that. Twitter went mad about that, but I just thought it was funny. Let's get into it. Let's start with the box, and this box looks really premium, really nice materials. It feels really smooth, and it doesn't feel like a cardboard box. See, if that makes sense. But on the top, you got an all black mono, and it looks with the 3 stripes, and it says Superstar, like the lateral side of the Adidas Superstar that this is, famous for, basically. That Adidas is famous for, forgive me. And you got all the little logos embossed there, well, it's printed. So you got Adidas and the Beyonce logo. And let's get into the specs. So we've got this Beyonce Superstar in the FT white, C black, white, so white, black, white, in a UK size 7.5. It's a US 9, and it's a French European 41 1/3. It's open, so it's just put it on top, and it comes with a dust bag. Nice. You got that smell, and obviously you guys can't catch the smell, but believe me, it smells like vinyl. And you got the Adidas Beyonce dust bag right there, really nice. And here is the main event right there. So you're taken away by that midsole, that wedge unit, and we'll start with the outsole. So let me just move the boxes around. So starting with the outsole, so you got a typical Superstar outsole. It's all made out of rubber, and it's herringbone-esque. It's like really wide herringbone patterning, but it's reminiscent of all Adidas Superstars. Going along, and obviously you've got that chunky unit, and I'm not trying to throw shade at Beyonce or her creative team, but I did see platforms. They were done by Rihanna for her Puma Creepers, so I don't know, but I'm not trying to put a wedge between Rihanna or Beyonce. I'm pretty sure that that wasn't intentional or anything, but it just reminds me of that. There's a lot of wedge units nowadays, obviously with the dad sneaker coming back into fashion, the Nike Sakai. So I think that's where they gained a lot of the inspiration from. And we'll move along into the upper of the whole unit. So this whole sneaker is a really nice plush leather, very soft, and the shelter, what all Superstars are famous for, right there. It is, I'd say it's more softer than your normal Superstar. It's not like a hard rubber, it just feels like a normal rubber. It feels a bit like the same material of the outsole. Going along to the lateral side, and you've got the Superstar logo, and it's embossed with a nice gloss finish as well. 3 stripes there as well for that famous, Adidas 3 stripe on the medial side as well. And going along to the heel, you got a nice typical Adidas trefoil logo right there, and it's got a nice garnish. It's a very vinyl finish. If you're looking for that Beyonce logo, it is in the insole, right by the heel. It says Beyonce and it's got the Adidas logo, and rounding it off with the nice padding of the ankle, and you got a nice padding from the tongue. You got the same Adidas logo that is embossed there, right on the tongue, and you'll find the same Adidas logo on a lot of the other, well, the main Adidas Superstar. Now, the main takeaway points are this big wedge. The materials are much more premium. It's like a more plush leather, and it's really nice that Adidas have given Beyonce like her own Adidas Superstar. It's nice that it's in celebration of the 50th anniversary of the Superstar, and it's great to have a global icon like Beyonce endorse such a product. Now, one thing before we get into like sizing and whatnot. So the wedge is pointed toes as well, so you got that pointed toe right there to finish off. And yeah, like I talked about sizing. So this is obviously, like, for me, shoes can be worn by anyone. So the sizing curve, from what I've seen on the Offspring website, it was a UK 3 to 7.5, which was great because I'm able to try this on, and I'm a big fan of the Adidas Superstar. I love Adidas Superstars. It's like a staple in sneaker culture, and it's great. As I mentioned before, that global icon like Beyonce has collaborated with Adidas to give her like interpretation of what it should look like this breakthrough wedge unit that's on the midsole. And I can't wait to try these on just to make myself a bit taller. So there we go. Guys, I'm pretty sure that they are designed and they were manufactured to have bigger sizes. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any. And in regards to fit, I would say if you're able to get half a size up of what you usually wear for Adidas. So for example, I mean, personally, I do wear a size 8, but we were only able to get a 7.5. But I do feel like at the toe area, right there, I feel like the shell toe bit is really pushing down onto my toes. It was a bit tight, but other than that, it's really soft. Like, you'll be surprised. It's like leather lining, which is right there. And yeah, it is quite comfortable, other than I feel like being pressed on my toes. But apart from that, I feel like it's a great fit. It's giving me a really cool, like, underground creepers kind of vibe. So if you're wearing like a punk kind of outfit or whatever, I think this goes with anything really, but it does give me the creeper vibes, as you can see with the wedge. And the pointed toe as well, like, it gives me that really nice punk kind of aesthetic, even though it's a Adidas Superstar. It's really dope. Here's a 360 for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.